Hello everyone, I'm showing how to make delicious grilled fish, and this is the ingredient that we pound together like salt, seasoning, sugar, chili, garlic dip and garlic, and we pound together already and then we start mixing with fish, and this is the fish that make a slit in a fish before salting it. And after we pound the ingredients already, and then we start mixing with the fish. Okay, we start mixing, okay, one by one like this, and let the taste connect each other. Yeah, and then we put some ingredients in the fish hole, and then let the taste connect. Okay, we can see. We do like this after we grill it, and then the fish meat is delicious. And now we mixing it already, and then we start to wrapping the aluminum paper. Yeah, we wrapping it. Yeah, we wrapping it one by one. Yeah, after we wrapping it with aluminum paper already, and then we start to put in oven, and we turn on the oven. Yeah, after we grill it maybe half hour, and then we can see that the fish meat is delicious. Everyone can make it because it's delicious, and especially if we can eat with vegetables like salad and cucumber, it's the best. Okay, but I make it for my family's lunch. Okay, but now I taste the fish meat. Okay, after I taste it, the fish meat is delicious. Everyone can make it. Okay, it's on time. Thank you for watching, and good luck everyone and every family. Bye bye.